Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to edit audio in Audacity. First, open Audacity and load your audio file by going to File and selecting Open. Once the file is open, you'll see the waveform of your audio. Let's start by selecting a part of the audio. You can do this using the selection tool, which looks like an eye shape. Click and drag over the part of the audio you want to edit. If you want to remove any unwanted sections, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. The selection tool is great for isolating sections of your audio for specific edits. Next, let's look at the envelope tool. This tool allows you to adjust the volume of your audio in specific parts. When you click on the envelope tool, you'll see blue lines appear on the waveform. By clicking and dragging the lines, you can raise or lower the volume at different points. You can create multiple points to fade the audio in or out smoothly. Now, let's move on to the draw tool. The draw tool allows you to edit the waveform directly. First, zoom in on the waveform using the zoom tool, which is located in the toolbar. Left-click to zoom in and right-click to zoom out. Once you're zoomed in enough to see the individual points in the waveform, use the draw tool to drag those points up or down. This is helpful for removing small clicks or adjusting small parts of the audio manually. Finally, there's the multi-tool mode. This combines all the editing tools into one. In multi-tool mode, you can select, move, and edit your audio all in one go, but it requires a bit more control since you'll be switching between functions frequently. When you're done editing, you can listen back to the audio to check your changes. If everything sounds good, go to File, select Export, and choose the format in which you'd like to save your audio. That's how you edit audio in Audacity. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.